Hi everyone. Join me as I challenge myself to launch my very first digital product business in 2025, and I'll share every step of the journey with you. In the past few years, we've witnessed an explosion in the digital product space, and it's no surprise why. With the rise of online shopping and digital adoption, the opportunities for entrepreneurs to create and sell digital products have never been more promising. Whether it's software, courses, ebooks, or any other type of digital product, the potential for passive income and scale is immense. One of the biggest misconceptions about launching a digital product business is that it's easy, that anyone can do it overnight. But the truth is, it's tough, especially for beginners. The digital product space is saturated with competition, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle to find their footing, unsure of how to create a product that resonates with their target audience or how to market it effectively. Another common challenge beginners face is lack of direction. They might have a great idea, but they don't know how to turn it into a tangible product or how to position it in the market. They might spend months creating something that ultimately fails to gain traction, leaving them feeling defeated and demotivated. Without a clear understanding of their target audience, many entrepreneurs end up creating products that nobody wants or needs. This leads to a lot of wasted time, energy, and resources. And even if they do manage to create a product that resonates with their audience, they often struggle to market it effectively, leading to poor sales and a lack of visibility. The key to success in the digital product space lies in understanding your audience, creating a product that solves a real problem, and marketing it effectively to the right people. To successfully launch a digital product business, you need to start by identifying a profitable niche. This means doing thorough research to find a gap in the market that aligns with your skills and interests. Once you've identified your niche, you need to create a valuable product that solves a real problem for your target audience. This could be a software solution, a course, an ebook, or any other type of digital product that meets the needs of your audience. Next, you need to develop an effective marketing strategy that reaches your target audience and communicates the value of your product. This could include social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, or paid advertising. The key is to understand your audience and tailor your marketing strategy to their needs and preferences. One of the most important things to keep in mind is that launching a digital product business is not a one-time event, it's a process. It takes time, effort, and iteration to get it right. You need to be willing to learn from your mistakes, adapt to changes in the market, and continuously improve your product and marketing strategy. Here's a pivotal insight that can significantly enhance the chances of success for new digital product entrepreneurs. It's not about creating a perfect product. It's about creating a product that resonates with your target audience. It's not about having a massive following. It's about having a loyal community that trusts and supports you. And it's not about making a ton of money overnight. It's about building a sustainable business that generates passive income over time. By focusing on these key principles, you can significantly increase your chances of success in the digital product space. Remember, launching a digital product business is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to get it right. In conclusion, launching a digital product business in 2025 is a challenging but rewarding journey. By understanding the common challenges faced by beginners, following the key steps to success, and adopting a pivotal insight that can enhance your chances of success, you can increase your chances of success and build a thriving digital product business. So, what's your idea for a digital product? Share it with me in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about launching a digital product business, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more tips and strategies for success.